Stages in activity-based costing, ABC. Identify the different activities within the organization. Relate the overheads to the activities. Support activities are then spread across the primary activities. Determine the activity cost drivers. Calculate activity cost driver rates for each activity. Activity cost driver rate equals total cost of activity divided by activity driver. Advantages of activity-based costing. The main advantages of using activity-based costing are: 1. More accurate costing of products/services. 2. Overhead allocation is done on logical basis. 3. It enables better pricing policies by supplying accurate cost information. 4. Utilizes unit cost rather than just total cost. 5. Help to identify non-value-added activities which facilitates cost reduction. 6. It is very much helpful to organization with multiple product. 7. It highlights problem areas which require attention of the management. Limitations of activity-based costing. The main limitations using activity-based costing are: 1. It is more expensive, particularly in comparison with traditional costing system. 2. It is not helpful to small organization. 3. It may not be applied to organization with very limited products. 4. Selection of most suitable cost driver may not be useful. Requirements in ABC implementation. A number of distinct practical stages are required in the ABC implementation, which are given as below. 1. Staff training. The cooperation of the workforce is critical to the successful implementation of ABC. Staff training should be done to create an awareness of the purpose of ABC. 2. Process specification. Informal, but structured, interviews with key members of personnel will identify the different stages of the production process, the commitment of resources to each, processing times and bottlenecks. 3. Activity definition. Early activity should be clearly defined. The problem must be kept manageable at this stage, despite the possibility of information overload from new data, much of which is in need of codification. 4. Activity driver selection. 5. Assigning cost. A single representative activity driver can be used to assign costs from the activity pools to the cost objects. Practical applications of activity-based costing. As a decision-making tool. As activity-based management. Facilitate activity-based budgeting. Activity-based management. The term activity-based management, ABM, is used to describe the cost management application of ABC. Various analysis in activity-based management. 1. Cost driver analysis. 2. Activity analysis. Value-added activities, VA. Non-value-added activities, NVA. 3. Performance analysis. Activity-based management in business. Cost reduction. Business process re-engineering. Benchmarking. Performance measurement. Activity-based budgeting, ABB. Activity-based budgeting analyzes the resource input or cost for each activity. It provides a framework for estimating the amount of resources required in accordance with the budgeted level of activity. Actual results can be compared with budgeted results to highlight, both in financial and non-financial terms, those activities with major discrepancies from budget for potential reduction in supply of resources. Key elements. Type of work to be done. Quantity of work to be done. Cost of work to be done. Benefits of ABB. Activity-based budgeting, ABB, can enhance accuracy of financial forecasts and increasing management understanding. When automated, ABB can rapidly and accurately produce financial plans and models based on varying levels of volume assumptions. ABB eliminates much of the needless rework created by traditional budgeting techniques. Thank you.